Yo guys, welcome to Tech Insider. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to install the Jaws 2018 public beta. That's just been released pretty much yesterday. Now many of you may be like, Jaws 2018? Yes guys, Freedom Scientific has decided to change the name. So first I'm gonna actually show you how to install it, and then I'll show you, at the end where to actually download it from. So if you already have a previous version of Jaws, keep that running, but I'm going to quit it just for the purposes of this. I'm going to start narrator, and I'm going to open downloads. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to right click, and run as administrator. Yep.
Jaws install. Unchecked. I accept the license agreement checkbox.
I'm going to exit narrator.
Cancel. I accept the license agreement check. Install button.
To click
Jaws
install.
Dialog. Performing Jaws install. Press escape to cancel. Cancel button.
Now I did have an error yesterday when I tried it. I did try to make this video before, but we're going to try and get through that error. Now the insert B command won't work. You can't actually read the Jaws installer dialog box. Okay, to see what it's actually doing. All you know is that it's performing the install. Okay, now I am still going to have my old version of Jaws on the computer.
Progress
Okay.
25%.
Okay, so when it actually gets properly installed, the old version of Jaws I have, Jaws18, will still be remaining on the computer. Okay, but also I'm going to try and show you actually how to crack this version of Jaws, because I have a cracked version of Jaws 18. But bear in mind, this may not work. You may not be able to crack it. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. But literally, this is the first time I'm installing the public beta. So yeah. So we're just going to have to let this install, okay? And well, yeah. Unfortunately, I can't actually pause it while it's installing, okay? But let me just go through the new features in the actual installation. No, I can't do that either, can I? If it won't. Pretty much, Edge support's pretty much introduced, okay? Now, as you may know, if you've installed previous versions of Jaws, there is a totally redesigned installer, okay? The installer's been utterly redesigned. And yeah. A lot less questions are being asked now. There's new support for the new Microsoft mobile voices. I'm not actually sure what they're really about. I haven't really seen them much. Okay. And well, yeah. As you can see, this is literally just the first public beta, guys. It's there will be bugs, okay, and you should not rely.
50%.
You should not rely on public beta software. Okay, just no, because you won't get very far. Okay, so I'm going to go and actually try and crack this first Jaws, okay? Probably won't get very far in that respect, but I'm going to have a go.
Twitter notification. Twitter. We wanted to read it after a while. See what they say. Take picture. Viewfinder. Image. Double tap to focus. Double tap and hold to adjust exposure. Home. Camera. Double tap to open. FaceTime.
Progress 75%.
Double tap to open.
Okay, this is actually going quite quick. Okay, the older installation took much longer than this. Okay, like a lot longer. Yeah, yesterday I did actually get an error when I tried to do this. Okay, I'm guessing it will ask for a reboot at some point. Okay. But we're just gonna let this finish.
9 minutes. Stop recording.
I mean, for an older version of Jaws, this process, normally it comes up, you know, we're configuring and it just takes ages and ages, so this is a much improved version of Jaws. Now, obviously guys, you know, I will be using the public beta, but obviously if necessary, when necessary, I will switching back to my old trusty Jaws18 cracked software. Also, I'll be showing you how to crack Jaws18 at some point, guys. There's a lot of videos I've got planned, guys, okay, and also I'm hampered due to the fact I can't live stream, okay, because of the community strike. By the way, guys, that's expiring on the 23rd of September, so only a few more days. It stopped clicking now, so...
Jaws Professional Beta Release. Jaws Setup Information. Jaws Activation Dialog. This application requires authorization to run on this system. Tab. Act. Tab. Content. Tab. Do not. Space. Check. Shift. Tab. Space. Jaws Setup Information. Jaws Dialog. You can update authorization at any time by select space. Jaws Setup Information. The setup has made changes that require you to restart your computer. Would you like to restart now? Yes button. To activate, press spacebar. Migrate user settings dialog. An older version of Jaws was detected with custom user settings. Do you want to migrate settings to the current Jaws? Migrate settings from combo box. Jaws 18.0. 1 of 1.
I'm not gonna...
Tab. Yes button. Tab. No space. Jaws tab. No button. Shift tab. Yes button. Jaws setup in tab. No button. Tab. Yes button.
Also, what I need to do is I literally...
Tab. No
I'm
button.
going to click
Space
no for now,
unavailable.
because what I need to do...
Windows R, run dial,
Alright, is it
escape,
actually...
desktop, alt tab, download, alt tab, Spotify, alt tab, Jaws Professional, Jaws Professional, Jaws version 2018, left parent build 1708.29 ILM, right parent.
What I'm going to do...
Alt F4, quit Jaw, enter,
I'm going to quit this.
Windows R, run dot.
This is Windows 10, guys, but I have Windows 7 sound, okay? I'm going to start
Jaws home use edition, download.
Jaws 18 quickly, because I need to...
Spotify, Jaws home use, Jaws, menu up, basics, dot, leaving menu, accent, automatic notification above, automatically start Jaws, start Jaws, cancel button, OK button, start Jaws after logout for the user calling, ever. OK button,
Set that it doesn't actually start, Jaws
OK button, Jaws home use,
18 doesn't start automatically.
context menu, sign up,
Now I'm going to restart the computer, okay, and, you know... Oh, I think it's restarted anyway, okay. That's fine with me. Now, I don't know whether we actually have to wait for Jaws to actually come up, okay. I don't know whether the new version of Jaws is going to start automatically, but I didn't want two versions starting at the same time. Because that would just be annoying. Oh. Sirens. Police are around. What I need to do is I want to get the time, okay? Because, you know, when to actually crack this version of Jaws, we will need to actually get the exact time. This computer takes a while to start up, guys, because, you know, it just does. And also we'll be waiting for the new version of Jaws to come up, so this may take a couple of minutes to start up. But yes, guys, I do like the new Jaws setup, guys. It's a lot better. Okay. Than the Jaws 18 one. But, you know. But yes, guys, I like it. Sorry that I can't actually pause the video, guys, or anything.
Viewfinder, 9 minutes. Stop recording video, button.
Okay, so we're literally just waiting for the computer to restart. I dare say it's probably actually restarted, but now we're just waiting for Jaws, to be fair, so. Because my computer automatically logs on now, so, you know. Also that show activation thing, that activation message button thing, when I click the don't show this dialogue again for activation, you don't have to do that, just I do, because it annoys me. But yeah, Edge support is by no means foolproof, okay? And also, guys, we at Tech Insider, you know, and any of the other channels don't take any responsibility for if anything happens to you, you know, by following our instructions. You know, this beta version of Jaws, you muck up something, and normal, freedom, scientific, You use this software at your own risk. Alright guys, I just want to put that out there. Yeah, I have a feeling the computer would have restarted by now. But it's literally just waiting for everything to start. The computer starts up really slowly. It's really quick because it's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, but by God does it take a while to start. So yeah, also don't think of, oh yeah, right, so also the version number changed because what happened was because there was so many like different versions.
Starting narrator.
Hello narrator. That shouldn't really be coming up, but okay, it does. There were so many different versions of Jaws, like because Freedom Scientific now has purchased Zoom Text as well. So there was like Zoom Text 11, Jaws 18. So they've now put it into just the version, the year of the actual version. So the actual year number will be the version. So Jaws 2018, because it will be mostly, I know it's 2017 now, but it mostly will be used in 2018. So you know.
Tab.
I don't know whether
Running programs.
Jaws will start itself. Or...
Current application narrator settings 1 of 1 double tap. System, help, link, tooltip, press any, general, running programs. Current application of general, check, recycle bin, 1, Jaws 18. Jaws 2018, 28 of 28, selected, so, running programs. Current application narrator settings 1 of 1 double tap to activate, narrator setting.
I don't actually have a touch screen on this computer, guys, even though it may seem like I
Running
do.
programs. Navigation.
Spotify should come
Voice
up, okay,
navigation.
which means pretty much it's not fully actually started up yet.
Tab. Voice. Changed. Running applicate tasks. Spotify to narrate narrator settings.
Spotify.
Voice.
I'm not sure that Jaws will start.
Spotify. Desk. Spotify. Login. Spotify. Tab. Running task. Narrate. Spotify.
I don't want to actually start Jaws myself, because then if it tries to start automatically, it starts 2 versions, and that's just a pain.
Spotify.
I'll give it a couple of minutes. What it'll do. Yeah, guys, I know it's such a powerful computer like an Intel Kaby Lake, but it takes this long to actually start up. Because I haven't, as you heard, I've got like 28 items on the desktop.
Task narrated Spotify 1 of Spotify.
You know what, I'm actually start Jaws manually.
Jaws 2018, 28 of 28, selected.
Quit narrator.
Enter. Exiting narrator.
And just wait a second or two. See what happens. Now I could have actually migrated my settings from Jaws 18, but I'm not going to do that right now because you know.
Jaws Home Use Edition. Demo mode active. Use update authorization in the help menu to activate. Beta release.
Oh, hello.
Alt tab. Alt tab. Jaws Professional. Alt tab. Spotify. Alt tab. Jaws Professional. New notification from Cortana Trust.
Right.
Menu. System. Escape. Leaving menu bar. Alt tab. Alt tab. Jaws Professional.
It's kind of slightly laggy, alright.
Jaws version.
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Alt L.
Let me see if actually what voices are here.
Microsoft Mobile. Sappy Vocalizer Expressive dash left parent factor.
Now that probably comes from my Jaws 18 when I doubt that was installed with Jaws 2018, but
Jaws version 2018 left parent build 1708.29 ILM right parent.
Time.
1302.
1302. Okay, alright. Have to remember that. Now, actually, I probably won't be able to show you how to actually crack this on video because it's. I have to wait for the 40-minute timer to run out before I can. But you know, So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to go through the startup wizard here.
Alt H menu help. Z leaving menus. Jaws tab function. Shift tab break tab shift tab break colon 57 tab typing echo care tab lower the volume.
You know what, I'm actually going to go and get my user settings from Jaws18. So if we go to utilities, I think it's in here.
Search setting keyboard diction frame script navig read import / export sub menu import settings ... I enter leaving menus.
I don't know what it's actually doing. Now I know it says Jaws. I noticed at the beginning it said Jaws home use demo mode active. That was because the activation message they were disabled.
Jaws home use edition demo mode active. Use up enter run.
Oh, I don't think that works somehow.
Alt tab spot alt tab Jaws alt tab spot alt tab Jaws alt new menu. I import setting export restore settings. Migrate settings ...
Alright, okay, I think
leaving
migrate
menus.
settings.
Migrate user settings dialog. An older version of Jaws was detected with custom user settings. Do you want to migrate settings to the current Jaws? Migrate settings from combo box. Jaws 18.0. One of
Now if I had Jaws17, obviously it would say that as well, but click yes.
Migrate user settings dialog. Warning: migrating settings from Jaws 18.0 will completely delete any existing user settings. Do you want to continue? Yes button to activate. Press enter. Jaws professional. Migrate results dialog. Details : read only edit.
There we go.
Successfully migrated settings from Jaws 18.0 to Jaws 2018. Successfully migrated. Successfully migrated settings. OK button. Alt plus O. Jaws professional.
There's all my settings migrated, guys. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let's go into the help menu quickly and look.
Web resource. Technical. About Jaws. Startup with. Update authorization. Check for updates. Check for updates.
We check the updates. Accept UAC.
Jaws checks to see if updates are available. This process may take several minutes. Please wait on Jaws checks to see if updates are available. This process may take several minutes. Button.
What's this random?
Button. Jaws updates. OK button. Jaws updates dialog. Jaws updates dialog. Jaws professional.
This is what I mean. Beta bugs. So what I'm going to do.
Menu option. Voices sub menu. Basics . B.
I don't know that I am going to
Basic settings dialog. Twitter messages turn off menu and control alt radio button checked. 1 of 3. Alt plus D. Access keys default. Automatically start Jaws ... button. Alt plus
I
A.
don't know whether I'm going to set that version of Jaws start
Jaws
up
version
yet.
2018 left parent build 1708.29 ILM right parent.
Depends whether I can actually crack the software, but you know. So let me just show you that it's a beta version.
Jaws dialog. Jaws access with speech professional edition version 2018 left parent build 1708.29 ILM right parent data serial number : read only at 801 login code : read only at 100-2 BBF2 read only at 40 minutes remaining : 35 display device : read only at Intel left parent R right parent HD graphics 620 left parent WDDM right parent copyright 2017 Freedom Scientific Freedom Scientific OK button special update code ... button acknowledgements button read only at OK special update code ...
Okay, now what I'll do is I do have an older version of Jaws in here, but it's not actually properly, you know. I'm going to see if it will actually detect the authorization. I doubt it will, to be fair, because it's a cracked version of Jaws, so. No, it's not. It's like, it's searching.
Spotify. Jaws professional. Jaws, please wait. Please wait dialog. Please wait on Jaws checks to see if updates are. Jaws updates. Jaws updates dialog. You already have the latest Jaws. Jaws professional. Jaws professional. Menu util. Script manager. Import select. Redash edit. Leaving menus.
Nah, it's not having it. Right, guys.
Spotify. Jaws professional.
So, in fact, I'm not just going to show you how to crack Jaws because it's unless the 40-minute timer gets up before we finish looking at it. But let me actually try Edge support. So, start menu. Type in Edge.
Internet Explorer, desktop app, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft recommended browser. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Refresh button. Search or enter web address edit.
Let's
Up
tap
left arrow
around.
favorites reading list. Make a web node button. Settings and more. Start and web search button. Search colon edit. Web search. List of 7 items. Testing level 1. Recent search history result 1 colon www.google.com right bracket. Recent search history result 2 colon www.google.com link. Recent search history result 3 colon out of Windows 10 link. Recent search history result 4 colon F star you tell me a joke link. Recent search history result 5 colon are you listening hello link. Search or enter web address edit. Space.
Let me just go to www.freedom.
Unselected E. Unselected M. Unselected C. Unselected N. Unselected. Enter list with 2 items. Enter search list of 7 items. Testing level.
Now I'll give it this. This is
Microsoft Edge window has focus. See all tabs that you set aside. Button not checked. Set these tabs aside. Button Freedom Scientific homepage tab. Selected. Close tab. Button. No thanks. Change my. No task again.
Oh no, oh it wants to change the default browser. I'm not, let me just actually check to see.
Touch cursor. Dismiss button. No task. Change my. Notification. Notification. Toolbar. No thanks. Button. Read it. Enjoy this app. Take a minute to read it. Review this app. To send us more detailed feedback. Use the feedback hub. Read it. Button. Read it. No thanks. Button. See all tabs that you set aside. Button. Microsoft Edge window. See. Set these tabs aside. Button. List. Freedom Scientific homepage tab. Selected.
Let me go in.
Easy cursor. Set these tabs. Freedom Scientific homepage tab. 1 of 1. New tab button. Show tab.
Hang on guys, I'll be back in a second. I'm sorry, the phone is ringing. I need to answer it. Hello? No. Yeah. What? Dad's gone to get me a... Mum has gone to Grandma. Right, see you later. Bye. Sorry about that, guys. Typical in a video, a phone call happens, but you know, that wasn't my phone, that was the house phone, so generally when that rings, something
22 minutes.
important is happening. So guys, you know, you can stop, this is now the new features, or some of them. What I'm going to do,
Refresh button. Search or
now editable, let me just have a around.
Share button. Settings and more. Freedom Scientific homepage. Exiting banner. Exit list. Exiting search. Exiting list. Testing level 1. Skip the main content link. Link graphic Freedom Site. Entering search. Search edit. Exiting search. 1-800-4. Entering navigation. Links on menu. Link services. Links on menu.
Let's go.
Exiting navigation. Entering main. Exit list. Heading level 1. Empowering independence trademark. Link heading level 2. Jaws registered screen reader. Link heading level 2. Low vision solutions.
What I'm doing, I'm going to go back to the address bar,
Space. Space. Space.
google.com.
Entering banner. www. Exiting banner. Entering search results name. Google link. Exiting name. Google. Entering search. Search combo box. Exiting search. Search combo box. Space.
Jaws public beta.
Jaws public data dash Google search. Google Apps button collapse.
Wait a minute.
Easy cursor. Signed link.
Headings won't
Google
work
link.
now.
Google
Okay.
search. Search combo.
Be like that.
Entering navigation. Use link. Jaws group.
No,
Spotify.
this isn't.
Jaws public data dash Google search dash Microsoft Edge. Use link. Exiting navigation. Entering name. Heading level 2 search results. Heading level 3 link. Jaws public data dash Freedom Scientific. Jaws public data dash Freedom Scientific link. Exiting name. Jaws public data.
This is incredibly fast, guys, as you
Heading
can
level 1.
see.
What's new in Jaws 2018 public data. Heading level 3. Quick notes about the public data.
Let me just show
Heading
you
level 2. Technical support
the
group. Heading level 2. New features added in Jaws 2018.
no,
Heading level 3. Jaws version number change.
Jaws version number change,
Heading level 3. New Microsoft Edge support.
new edge support.
Heading level 3. Convenient OCR add support for Freedom Scientific cameras and flatbed scanners. The convenient OCR left parent optical character recognition right parent feature.
No, I'm going to actually
Heading level 3. New Microsoft
quickly
Edge support.
read this.
Heading level 3. Jaws version number. Beginning of release. Jaws will now be numbered using the year it will be shipping in rather than arbitrary number. You can think of it as though this is the 2018 model of Jaws coming out this fall, just as they do with cars. Versions of Zoom text and Fusion that get released following this new Jaws 2018 will also have the same 2018 numbering. This will make it easier for users to know which versions go together and when they were released. Heading level 3. New Microsoft Edge support. Jaws 2018 introduces support for Edge, the latest web browser from Microsoft included in Windows 10. They use Jaws with Edge. You must be running the Windows 10 creators update left parent version 1703 right parent or later when there are still several Jaws features that are not available in Edge, such as selecting and copying using the virtual cursor, place markers, smart navigation, flexible web, and domain specific settings. We have made the overall experience of navigating pages in Edge using both Speech and Braille as similar as possible to work in Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox, and we continue to work with Microsoft to improve the Edge experience. Future Jaws updates will include greater functionality. This official Edge support will also be ported back to the Jaws 18 update. The virtual cursor is used to read pages in Edge just like in other browsers. You can use the standard reading commands, as well as most of the navigation quick keys to navigate through pages. Currently, there are a few navigation quick keys and are not yet supported in Edge. However, the most used commands, semicolon, moving by headings, paragraphs, forms, tables, lists, graphics, and regions are available. More navigation quick keys will be supported in future updates. default, Jaws uses semi-auto forms mode edge, which turns on forms mode automatically only when you move to a form control using tab or shift plus tab. Due to the way edge displays pages, auto forms mode is not available as it is. Possible to have multiple controls on a single line. You will need to press enter to turn on forms mode if you use the arrow keys to move the form fields. Other familiar Jaws features that are currently supported include colon. List with 4 items. Bullet display in the list of links. Heading. Bullet searching for text on the current page by pressing Control plus F. Bullet obtaining font information by pressing Insert plus F. Bullet the ability for Jaws to detect changes in the language used on the web page and automatically switch to the appropriate voice if available. Exit list. As you begin using Edge, one important item to notice that Edge is a modern app with no menu bar and can be accessed. Using the L key to access Edge specific features, press tab from the bottom of a page or shift plus tab from the top. Continue using tab or shift plus tab to move through the various controls until you cycle back around to the content area. Alternatively, Edge offers many of the same shortcut keys found in other browsers such as Control plus T to open the new tab. Control plus H for history, Control plus I for favorites, Control plus J for downloads, and so on. Heading level 3 convenient OCR adds support for freedom scientific cameras and flatbed scanners. The convenient OCR left parent optical character recognition right parent feature which enables you to recognize the text of an accessible PDF. Documents opened in Adobe Reader or the text of images on the screen has been expanded to support the recognition of image files as well as images captured by Freedom Scientific's Pearl registered reading camera or flatbed scanner. The Pearl is a highly portable document camera that allows you to capture and recognize a page within seconds and also features an automatic mode that senses motion which causes it to capture an image whenever a page is turned. To recognize text and image files saved as DMP, JPG, JPEG, TIFF, PNG, PCX, or PDF, press the layer keystrokes. Insert plus spacebar O F1 focused on the specific file in File Explorer. To recognize text will be displayed in the results viewer where you can use standard reading commands to review the text or select and copy it to other applications. Alternatively, press the applications key to open the context menu and choose quote recognize file with Jaws, quote. Or quote recognize file with Zoom text fusion, quote if fusion is running. Note quote if Jaws is not able to perform OCR on a PDF due to its security settings. Try opening the PDF in Adobe Reader and use the insert plus spacebar O D command to recognize PDF documents. To acquire and read a document with the Pearl camera, position the page under the camera aligned with the page guide. And then press the layer keystrokes insert plus spacebar O A. This will open the new camera and scanner recognition. Dialog box if you have a Pearl USB camera plugged in, this will be the default option. Just press enter to start the single page capture and OCR. After a few seconds, the recognition is completed. Jaws displays the text and results. Heading level 3 all new installer. The Jaws installation process has been completely redesigned to take advantage of the latest technology. The setup process has been streamlined with fewer dialogues and offers faster download and installation of various components. The installer is now also self-dash voicing, no longer using a run-dash time version of Jaws. If you happen to be running an older version of Jaws while installing 2018, the self-dash voicing of the installer remains silent, allowing you to use your previous version of Jaws to speak during setup. Heading level 3 new verbosity options for the virtual cursor. When reading content using the virtual cursor, Jaws alerts you to the beginning and end of various elements such as lists, tables, and regions. With Jaws support for ARIA continuing to improve and web developers becoming more aware of accessible design, the amount of extra information provided by the virtual cursor can become overwhelming when you just want to focus on the page content. To make it easier to determine what is spoken, Jaws now offers 3 levels of verbosity for the virtual cursor, giving you control over how much detail you want in your heading level 3 quote document and web pages automatically read when loaded quote option. Heading level 3 support for Microsoft Mobile Voices in Windows 10. Jaws now works with the Microsoft Mobile Voices, a new speech interface from Microsoft developed for the universal Windows platform. If you are running Jaws in Windows 10, the new Microsoft Mobile Voice profile will be adjustment Windows platform. If you are running Jaws in Windows 10, the new Microsoft Mobile Voice profile will be listed in the voice adjustment dialog box. And to select the voice profile dialog box, left parent control plus insert plus S right parent. The available voices depend on the installed Windows language. For English, 3 voices are available. Additional voices can be added through downloadable language packs which can be installed through the region and language settings. Heading level 3 updated Linguist Braille Translator. Jaws 2018 includes version 3.2.0 of the popular Linguist Braille Translator. This offers our users the latest updates to contracted and uncontracted unified English Braille left parent UEP right parent translation as well as improvements for other language tables.
You know, guys, this is also where you go to actually download the public beta. Okay, just type in Jaws public beta into Google, it'll come up.
Heading level 3 improvements to Jaws language switching. Heading level 3 acronym expansion included when spelling a word. Heading level 3 read dialog boxes in modern apps.
Ah, yeah, this is where.
When the dialog box is displayed in the desktop application, you can press insert plus D to have Jaws read the entire contents of the dialog box. This command now also works in modern apps including Gale Store and Edge to read the contents of various pop-up dialogs. Heading level 2 download Jaws 2018.
Nah, that's where you can download it. Right, okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually try this.
Jaws Professional. Jaws Professional. Search box edit.
Go to the
Mail. Trusted Windows.
mail.
Mail.
Bear in mind, this is just a general.
Mail window has focus menu. Navigation group. Navigation button expanded. New mail button. Manage accounts button.
Okay, if I went to
Jaws Professional. Jaws Professional. Quick Jaws dialog. Run dialog. Type the name of
Jaws 18 here, and also try to use this mail thing. Actually, it'll probably work. I'm not sure I'm actually at the right place exactly.
Message list.
Oh no, it doesn't work at all. Okay, that's a new feature I found straight away. Let me quit.
Spotify. Jaws home news. Jaws home news. Quit Jaws.
And go back to Jaws. Obviously now you have to type in the run block Jaws 2018. Now all the settings from Jaws 18 have been imported. Okay, if you have an older version of Jaws, that will pop up. It did actually pop up the first time I start. Just when the installation is finished, but I declined it then because, you know. No, I've noticed Jaws 2018 is a bit slower. There we go. I thought I've literally just said, like, don't show that.
Not show this dialog again. Checkbox not checked. Hold list. Checked.
Check.
Continue. Jaws dialog. You can update authorization. Jaws professional. Jaws professional.
Let's try this new mobile voice thing. So I'm going to go in language, voice profiles,
Microsoft mobile.
Microsoft mobile voice thing.
Leaving menus. Jaws version 2018 left parent build
Let's go to
menu. Voices. Voice adjust. Leaving menu.
Speaks. Voice adjust colon combo box. Voice person colon.
Microsoft Hazel.
Microsoft George Mobile.
Microsoft Susan Mobile Dash United Kingdom. Microsoft Hazel Microsoft Susan Mobile Dash United Kingdom. Jaws Professional. Menu. Voice vocalize.
Leaving Jaws version 2018 left parent build 1708.29 IL and right parent.
bearing in mind that is Jaws 20. That's the voice I had on Jaws 18 for vocalizer. Okay, before,
Spotify. Jaws Professional.
but they are quiet.
Jaws version 2000. Touch cursor. Jaws state title bar. System. Min close. Application close. Quick Jaws dialog.
Oops.
Are you Jaws Professional? PC cursor.
They are quite. You know, those voices are quite responsive.
Run dialog. Desktop. Desktop. Folder view list view. Jaws 2018. 28 of 28. Oracle VF. Jaws 2. Windows compatibility report. Beware works.
Oops.
Jaws 2000. Jaws 18. Jaws 2000.
Okay, but yes, guys. Okay, right. Let me just check.
Jaws Professional. Menu. Leaving menus. Virtualizing current window.
Doesn't want to work.